Denmark just gave a wild order. If the US tries to take Greenland by force, Danish soldiers can shoot first, ask questions later. Sounds tough, right? But here's the problem. In World War II, Denmark surrendered to Germany in just 4 hours. 4 hours. And now they think they can stand up to the world's most powerful military? Denmark's entire active military? Around 16,000 troops. The US has 1.3 million. Denmark doesn't even make their own weapons. Tanks? German. Air defense? French. F-16s and F-35s? All American. And here's the kicker. Those American jets have kill switches. Without US authorization, Denmark's fighters literally can't fly. Even if they could, their missiles won't target American forces. Denmark has maybe 550 troops in Greenland. The US already has 800 stationed there, running the biggest base on the island. So Denmark's telling 550 soldiers to fight 800 Americans with equipment that won't work against Americans. Greenland doesn't even want to be Danish. It was stolen from Norway during colonial times, and today it's got massive autonomy. Why does Trump want this frozen rock? Same reason he invaded Venezuela. Resources. Trillions in rare earth minerals, oil reserves, and Arctic shipping routes China and Russia desperately want. Denmark's plan? Hope the EU saves them. Because this isn't David versus Goliath. It's a kindergartner picking a fight with a heavyweight champion. And Denmark just walked into the ring.